Okay, what we're going to do, we're going to continue following this road down, but what I want you to do is I want you to get as close as you can to the lane on the left without going into that lane. Like this. Travel down the road like you are now. So it shows your intention of moving back into the lane on the left once the parked obstructions have gone. Now what I need you to do, Roy, I need you to go over the line and straddle the line. Sit on top of the line. Like this. A bit more to the left. Just leave 1 meter away from parked cars. Like this. This is perfect. This shows your intention of moving back into your lane when it's safe to do so. This is perfectly fine, okay? Then after the last small white car, you'll move into the lane on the left. This is perfectly fine. Now do your routine to come back into your lane. That's fine. That's okay. And that's reasonably what you're expected to do if your lane is completely full with parked cars and you don't unnecessarily block lane 2. Take the next road on the left, this one here. I want you to follow the road ahead, then find a safe place to park on this main road. Wherever you can, I'm not bothered. As long as it's safe, legal and convenient, and you can fit into that space. Anywhere along this road is at least 1 mile long.